In this example, the user has already received some information inside the flow. They were asked to share their feedback about the free course we sent them. After collecting their response and thanking them, we now want to invite them to join our Instagram channel. However, before sending the invitation using an Instagram node, we first add a condition node. In this condition node, we check a number field called Insta Channel Invite Count. If this field is less than 5, the user will receive the channel invitation. If the field is equal to or greater than 5, the invitation will be skipped. In this example, we use 5 as the limit. You can set any number that fits your own automation strategy. After sending the invitation, we use an action node to increase the value of Insta Channel Invite Count by 1. This ensures that each user is invited no more than the defined limit in total, even if the invitation appears in multiple flows. This pattern is not limited to Instagram channel invitations. You can use the same logic for follow requests, Telegram channel invites, or any recurring call to action where you want to control how many times a user receives an invitation.